Okay, we're here with this bunch of guys doing a 7-cut vehicle, multi-vehicle discount that Steph has thankfully organised for us. Basically, I'm just going to go around and show you all the vehicles. So we've got a BMW and Mercedes at the front here. We've got a transit van at the back there, and another BMW, and 3 Nissans, and then my vehicle. So guys, hello, how you doing? All right. Okay guys, so just quickly tell us why you've got us here. What is it you want to get out of today in the Carbon Clean service?
To get more miles per gallon and a smoother drive.
Definitely more power. Yeah, just more performance.
Anyone?
More power, more fuel economy. Generally clean the engine. More power, more fuel economy.
Fantastic guys. Okay, so we're going to come back to each of you after you've had your test drive and just see what benefits you think you've got. Alright Ryan, so how do you go? What do you think?
So much different.
Yeah?
Unbelievable response. Unbelievable. No, thank you very much.
Well, what, the throttle response?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, insane. Brilliant.
Excellent. You're welcome. Alright Brett, so what do you think mate? Do you feel a difference?
Yeah, a lot more response in it.
Yeah? Fantastic. Anything else at all? Is it?
A lot more power there.
A lot more power.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Hello mate.
Hello mate.
How is it?
Yeah, wicked. Definitely got a few horses back now. Nice one, top man. Really appreciate it, man. Great
Cheers.
job.
Take care now.
Nice one.
Okay Matt, so the verdict?
Throttle response much better. There's no vibration in the throttle. Just generally much more response really.
Fantastic.
Drive smooth.
Brilliant. Cheers.
No?
Oh yeah? How's it feel then?
Yeah, a lot smoother.
Yeah? Excellent. And this is remapped as well, isn't it? Yeah, what's it kicking out?
It's about 298.
Fantastic. Excellent. Cheers. What do you think on that one then, Matt?
Oh, yeah, it's much better, much more smoother, same as the 350 really.
Yeah?
A little more responsive than this, but
Yeah.
definitely feel different.
Excellent. Cheers.
Much smoother.
Yeah?
Yeah, amazing. So much more responsive, a lot smoother drive. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Really happy.
Thank you.